Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a soda bread made with yeast. Let's begin. So to start on the recipe, get yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your white bread flour along with the brown bread flour and the salt, and give it a brief whisk just until fully combined. You can then go ahead and add in the bicarbonate of soda, the butter, the yeast and the water, and then mix it on a low speed to start with, around the lowest setting that you can get on your mixer, just to incorporate it all. Then you can turn it up to the low speed, just until a dough forms. It should be similar to a scone dough once fully combined. You'll then want to place the flour onto a worktop and just bring it into a ball shape, covering that ball shape with some cling film and allowing it to sit for around 10 minutes. After the 10-minute mark, you'll want to flour your surface with some brown flour, and then place your dough on top of it, adding a bit more flour on top, and then you'll just want to flatten the ball into a disc shape and round it off using your hands. You may need to turn the dough just to get it to the perfect shape. Then you can transfer it onto a lined baking tray and just perfect it. Next, you'll want to take a scotch scraper and just cut into the dough, making sure that you actually cut all the way through in a plus or addition sign. That's the best way for me to describe it on this video. And then cover with some cling film and leave for around 20 minutes, and after the 20 minutes you can then remove the cling film and dust over the wheat bran. Add as little or as much as you like. You will then want to place this in your preheated oven, and I will leave all that information in a blog post which will be linked down below. So once your bread is fully baked and cooled, you can then start to slice it up into as thick or thin a slice as you like, and here's what it looks like on the inside. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to my blog and all my social media, so don't forget to go and check them out. And until next time, bye guys.